Hello friends, welcome to Civilbysaurabh YouTube channel. Today topic is calculate quantity of AAC block. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for updates. Start. Size of one block is equal to 600 mm into 200 mm into 200 mm. Then calculate the volume of each block without mortar is equal to 0.6 into 0.2 into 0.2 is equal to 0.024 m cube. This is in meter cube of volume. Then using 10 mm mortar, then calculate the volume of block with mortar is equal to 0.61 into 0.21 into 0.21 is equal to 0.026 m cube. Volume of block work is equal to length into width into thickness is equal to 8 into 3 into 0.2. Then volume of block work is equal to 4.8 meter cube. Number of blocks is equal to volume of block work upon volume of one block with mortar is equal to 4.8 upon 0.026 is equal to 184.61. Then approximately is equal to 185 numbers of blocks required. Thank you so much.